This year's ONPHA Going Green Award winner has made environmentally friendly changes benefiting both the planet and their financial bottom line. Housing York Inc. has developed a multi-year strategic energy management plan focused on the use of new technologies, improved consumption management, building retrofits, and tenant engagement. Their two-stage energy management program will reduce the overall consumption of electricity and water in their buildings, with the goal of minimizing the impact of energy expenditures on operating costs and indirectly helping tenants responsible for paying for their own utilities. Stage 1 started in 2003 with energy audits on 10 buildings and improvement projects like lighting retrofits, appliance replacements, and high-efficiency boiler replacements. During this time, coin-operated energy efficiency laundry facilities were installed in 7 of their townhouses and 23 of their apartment buildings. The efforts undertaken in Stage 1 has allowed Housing York to reduce greenhouse gases by 152 tons and achieved annual cost savings of $52,000. In 2006, Housing York embarked on the second stage of this plan and implemented a pilot project to conduct a comprehensive energy retrofit in 2 of its properties. Completed in May 2007, these retrofits yielded an anticipated reduction of 108 tons of greenhouse gas emissions per year and are saving them approximately $43,000 annually. The pilot was so impressive, Housing York is planning similar retrofits in 25 other buildings as part of their 5-year strategic energy plan. Retrofits began on 5 of these buildings in 2008, with 3 projects including solar walls that increase air temperature, reducing the amount of natural gas required to heat hallways. And with no need for maintenance or working parts, these solar walls are proving to be both economically and environmentally friendly. As a result of implementing Stage 1 and 2 of the plan, Housing York will see annual savings of $400,000. with further increases expected as they implement even more energy-saving projects. Housing York has carried its focus on energy-efficient practices into new developments as well. In 2009, Tom Taylor Place opened as the first affordable housing community in York Region designed to achieve LEED certification. Here, you'll discover a number of water-saving features like dual-flush toilets, faucet aerators, ultra-low flow shower heads, and low-maintenance, drought-resistant vegetation for landscaping. And when tenants move into Tom Taylor Place, they're given a bucket of eco-friendly cleaning supplies to help them kickstart a green lifestyle. Because while Housing York has been able to make significant improvements to their buildings, they recognize that they can't make lasting changes on their own. So they've taken advantage of special programs, incentives, and partnerships to assist them as they meet their green goals, like the PowerStream CFL program that helped them replace 4,600 incandescent bulbs, York Region's Water for Tomorrow program, which provided free water audits, and SHERP funding, which allowed them to undertake major upgrades in several of their buildings. But ultimately, tenants are their most effective partners in energy management and environmental stewardship, since most energy used in buildings is directly controlled by the people living there. That's why Housing York has engaged tenants through a series of education and awareness efforts, including green tips and information in newsletters, posting information on smart commuting practices and public transit in common spaces, and hosting green-themed events like Earth Day cleanups. Many tenants now realize how easy it can be to live a greener life and are pushing Housing York to move even further towards energy-efficient practices. Housing York's action to conserve utilities and help the environment wasn't accidental. It was the result of an aggressive energy-saving strategic plan. Already, Housing York has produced impressive reductions in energy usage and savings, estimated in the hundreds of thousands of dollars, showing us all that going green is truly achievable.